Morning. Good. I'll try that again. Good morning, everyone. Sometimes we anticipate that there's a little bit of an issue getting from the hotel here and other things the first day. So we're starting a little bit later, but again, we wanted to have as many people here and capture the audience as best we could. And I'm glad we did wait. We've got a lot more people here, and I'm looking forward to the day. Listen, thank you all for coming. I hope you will appreciate the fact a lot has gone into this. We've really tried to assemble a dynamic, cutting-edge group of speakers who are really going to, I believe, comfortably share with you their knowledge base, and hopefully you'll be able to interact with them after they've spoken and other venue we're having. So I'm really looking forward to that. But again, thank you so very much for coming. And so I've done Lisa, I've got the first part of, Lisa gave me a whole bunch of things I have to say, okay, so I'm making sure I get this right. And we're really here to foster a collaborative community of multi-sectoral leaders from business, government, foundations, humanitarian and professional organizations, academia, and civil society to leverage the strengths of multiple sectors and disciplines to explore salient models and best practices for global health and safety. Allison, that's the hardest part, okay? Allison is my co-chair, Allison Goldberg. She had me do that, but again, that gives you some background for why we're here, who's here, and who we believe will benefit most. Now, the good part of this for me is really thanking the people who helped put this together over the past months. My co-chair, Allison Goldberg of AB InBev Foundation, Joe Ivy Buford, New York University College of Global Public Health. Joe is at a meeting in Berlin and sends her regrets. Bruce Compton, Catholic Health Association of the United States. Bruce has been insightful, thorough, and again, brings a history and richness that has been invaluable in this organization. Trevor Gunn, our doctor from Medtronic. Medtronic, as you know, has feet in 120 countries? 160 countries. Well, you know, sometimes. Again, real insightful, real thorough, real investigative, and very, very cutting edge, and a delightful person to work with. Sean Stanbridge of Procter & Gamble Company. As we all know, Procter & Gamble is a major player on numerous fronts. And a special friend, Catherine Taylor, Dr. Catherine Taylor from University of Notre Dame, someone who really brings a great deal of depth and insight, lived in Kenya for 12 or 14 years, so it has that expatriate approach that, again, adds a richness for any conversation and a dynamism, which is incredibly important. Allison? We'll continue and fill you in, but again, I want to thank everyone for coming.
Thank you, Clarion. So we wanted to give you a bit of a snapshot of what you can expect over the next 2 days. So as a reminder, you're all at the Public-Private Partnership Forum for Global Health and Safety. And the focus today is on looking at what is going on at the national, municipal, and community levels with public-private partnerships. And so today we're going to have 3 panels reviewing the experiences of 3 companies, Medtronic, Philips, and Becton Dixon and Company, reviewing experiences in 3 parts of the world: East Africa, West Africa, and India. Our panel moderators today are also quite diverse and members of the forum. First, we will have Catherine Taylor, who's Director of Operations from the University of Notre Dame, who will be moderating the panel with Becton Dixon. We will also have Trevor Gunn, who's moderating a panel, Vice President of International Relations for Medtronic. And finally, we will have Brenda Colatrella, who's Associate Vice President of Corporate Responsibility and President of the Merck Foundation. Tomorrow, I will be moderating a panel that is including intermediaries of public-private partnerships, and I very much look forward to that opportunity.